I absolutely believe that. And there's a tremendous amount of evidence, much of which did not come into this trial, did come into the UK trial. We even had more evidence. We had medical records. We had mental health records that went back to 2012.
Elaine Bredehoft's career is going down with her poor lawyering skills. Recently, she was accused of destroying Amber Heard and milking her accounts dry. But now this is big news. She got exposed for mishandling evidence and ordering stuff to destroy the crucial evidence in the theft case and was removed. It's about the DynCorp International LLC lawsuit. What was the evidence she asked to destroy? Will she be charged for destroying the evidence? Keep watching to know more. DynCorp accused Bredehoft of ordering a staff member to destroy the only evidence indicating who had access to the trade secrets that their client Jane Flowers was accused of stealing shortly before being fired in January 2011. DynCorp also stated that it intended to call Bredehoft a witness in the case, undermining her role as an advocate. Evidence destruction is a serious matter, said DynCorp attorney Stephen Robinson, a partner at McGuire Woods LLC. Obviously, it calls into question the judicial system's integrity. On the other hand, Bredehoft claimed that DynCorp and Robinson wanted her removed from the case because they were afraid of facing her in court again, referring to the allegations of evidence destruction as scorched earth litigation. Fans got a point to criticize Elaine again for her biased and unlawful nature. The fans got hateful comments for her, with one fan saying, "It's no surprise Amber wanted Elaine as her lawyer. I suspect Elaine even had experts lie for Amber." Another added that, "I'm not sure how she hasn't been disbarred." One more user said, "What lies, if any, can you tell about Amber to make her look good? Looking for a friend." Another stated that, "During the trial, I didn't have to feel sorry for her. Elaine is the same as Amber. A flock of birds of a feather flocks together." Another comment says, "Wow, excellent work, Elaine. It's no surprise Scamber chose you as her attorney." One more user stated that, "We all know Elaine is up for dirty tricks. It explains Amber's entire situation." One fan hilariously trolls her, saying, "So Amber truly selected a team that truly represents her." Another added, "Anything this woman does not surprise me." One added that, "I keep seeing fans say that one of the jurors was a fake and lied, etc., etc. Does anyone know what happened with the juror? I thought it might have just been a Dobb mistake." Another said, "Of course," she retorted that they were afraid of her. One fan commented, "Elaine appears to have the same personality disorder as AH. Dr. Curry, you might be asked to participate in this new trial as an expert." Yet another fan wrote, "She believes they were afraid to face her again in court. I'm guessing they're not shaking in their boots after seeing her skills as a lawyer on full display." One says, "So she was demonized according to EB. They couldn't face her in court. Sound familiar to anyone?" Another added, "I don't think anyone is afraid to face Elaine. I'm trying, Your Honor," Bredehoft in court, based on her questioning technique and lack of general law knowledge. A fan wrote, "It's not surprising the way she mimicked JD's voice in the trial about his eyes demonstrated her professionalism." Another added, "No one should be afraid of her based on what I saw of her in court." A fan also said, "Still beyond my comprehension. The judge ordered Amber Heard not to discuss her testimony with her lawyers, and Elaine and Amber fixed up holes in her testimony after the week break." Another further said, "She fabricated evidence in Amber Heard's abuse trial, so I'm not surprised." One furiously said that, "I keep repeating myself. Bredehoft plays the bumbling old lawyer, but she is devious, unscrupulous, and shady." A fan wrote, "This is why Kaplan was fired as her attorney. She was probably looking for someone a little rougher around the edges, someone willing to lie and twist facts, because it makes no sense that she chose someone with no trial experience when she could have chosen someone equally shady." Another fan trolled, saying, "I don't think any lawyer is afraid of seeing her in court after seeing how bad she is at her job. They probably just don't like her because she lies and is extremely annoying." One fan wrote, "She's the type of unethical lawyer who makes even Saul Goodman say, 'Hey, I'm not representing you,' when this inevitably leads to a disbarment hearing." Another says, "It's clear why she's defending that liar now. They are both the same thing." Another added, "Elaine's license should be suspended and she should be required to retake law school and pass the bar exam. I'm curious if she cheated the first time." One furious user said, "Elaine is not a nice person. She is as shady as her customers. With all of her unethical behavior, I'm surprised she still has her license." One fan said, "Not surprising. I'm sure she noticed a mistake in the jurors' information and saved it. She is extremely unethical, in my opinion." Another fan said, "Wow, simply wow. How does she keep her job as a lawyer? Could someone please tell me? After what I saw of her in court was a disgrace. Arguing with the judge, getting flustered, she could not cross-examine AH professionally, unable to turn on." What do you think of Elaine Bredehoft and lawful skills? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.